Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Squires. Welcome back. Here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun. I finally have finished my tarot card project. It has taken me the better part of the year just doing a few cards here or there. I want to start with a disclaimer. I don't know how tarot cards work, how they're supposed to be read and all of the proper interpretations. I purely enjoy them for the artistry on the deck of the major arcana, which I believe is the 22 picture cards. I like the look, I like the beautiful pictures. That is why I like tarot cards, not for its fortune telling properties, which some people, it's a core part of some people's belief system, and that's awesome. But this is my deck. This is the back. This is paper I purchased from Trade Aid. So it's from an artistry collective, I think called Sight and Sound or Silence, where it's people who can't talk or who can't hear. So as a collective they make paper as a way of making money for themselves, being a disabled person in a rural area. But I'm really pleased with these cards. I've got all of the 22. I'll show you a few of my favorites. Even though it's kind of a bit macabre, I really do like this one, and I like the way that it turned out. This is my first big project with watercolors. This one, I really do, I like this one a lot as well. And this one, the moon. These are some of my favorites just because of how the pictures turned out. Now we're going to jump into a better look at the cards. I'll lay them out and show you them all one by one, and then we'll come back. Well, I hope you enjoyed a look at my tarot cards. I've already got plans to make another deck, but I think I'll stick to a very simple colour scheme, and I will do a lot more planning about the look of the deck so it's more cohesive and it seems to go together, because some of these pictures don't look like they belong together. But I will plan to make a more cohesive deck that goes together, maybe a bit smaller. And yeah, so thank you. And I want to thank you for everybody that got us to 100 subscribers. I know it's not a big deal to a lot of people, but for me, it's awesome to think that 100 people take a time out of their day to just sit down and watch these videos on this very tiny corner of the internet of me just doing things and collecting hobbies. So yeah, I'm very thankful for everybody. And the baking soda volcano video will be coming out soon. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, do all the things to please our algorithm overlords, and I will see you next time.